welcome back to my channel. This is Slimby Empire. If it's your first time, thank you so much for joining us. Please do not make it your last. So today we're going to talk about business. Yeah, and if you're a new and returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are the real MVP. Okay, so please don't forget to watch other videos and also subscribe. This help our channel to grow. So let's get right into the background change because I was looking for a better background for you guys. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason for the switch. Okay, with me, I just jot everything down so I don't miss out on vital informations that you guys will really need. Okay, so first on my list is importation business, like importing from Turkey, from China, etc. Those websites, especially 688, is cheaper than Alibaba, AliExpress. Trust me, I've been there and I know what it's all about. Okay, so if you are somebody that is into importation, you don't need to even use your own personal money. What you have to do is create a WhatsApp platform, share your group link to friends, your stories. People that are interested in shipping different items will join, and then you ask them the kind of products you want, they want you to like import for them. And then when you sort those products online on the website AliExpress, that's 1688, all you have to do is convert the money, add your own profit on it, and then when the goods still arrive, they will still pay for their clearing, their shipping, and their clearing. That alone will give you more profit because the profit you added on the goods is your own personal gain, and then they will still pay for their shipping and clearing. And trust me, in some websites on that 1688, once you buy lots of goods from them, they will even reduce the prices for you. So that's how sweet importation business is. The only problem is when dollar is high, definitely it's going to affect our naira here in Nigeria. Only red flag you can see about importation business. And another way for you to like make money without using money is for you to also do a drop shipping. A drop shipper is just like the middleman between the buyer and the seller. You get me? So when you post the goods from the wholesalers platform or group chat or story, you add your own profit, and then you can send your customer details to the seller. All they have to do is for them to just put your name as the seller, maybe your brand name as the seller, and then put your customer's name, send it to your customer. That way your customer will receive it as you being the seller and not the agent or the middleman between the buyer and the seller. Okay, I do that a lot, and I have group chats where people resell from me. I am the seller, but they drop ship for me, and sometimes I will bill it the same way I just explained with you guys, or even within my environment, I still like deliver it to their own customer without them knowing that I'm the seller. If you are a good wholesaler, what you have to do is promote that your drop shippers business in order for you to get more sales. Okay, but when you try to go behind your drop shippers back to tell the customer, okay, she's selling for me and all of that, trust me, you're just going to spoil things for yourself. At the end of the day, they might not even trust you. They won't want to buy from you. Why? Because they already know the dropshipper and not you. Okay, so that brings us to the next. Okay, so the next on my list is drifting business. Drifting business, it means okrika business, or buying cleanly used clothes or whatever you can call it, but it is drifting business. In Nigeria we call it okrika business, and we have different joints where they sell it in the market. But trust me, buying a bale from the market right now, I think it's about 20 to 35, depends on the category of wares you want to get. When you buy it, you discover that there are different there are numbers of clothes in it, and when you sell it, all you have to do is just get a good background with sunlight and everything, good background, wear it on a mannequin, and then take nice pictures, create an Instagram page, put a nice name that people can really and easily access, post it on your stories on Facebook, on Instagram, use good hashtags like hashtag Port Harcourt vendor, hashtag Lagos vendor, hashtag plus size vendors and stuff, to attract more customers. And one thing you can do to attract much sales is for you to also promote your product. It will take you like 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, depends on the time and day you want the promo to last, the promotion ad to last. Okay, so when you promote it, it just take your content or your product to the next level. All right, so when you do that, trust me, you're going to make much sales. If I tell you how much drift sellers make, you won't believe it. Some of them buy cars and build house from drifting business. I know a man who sells just gin around my area here, and I know how much he makes. I know how much he gets the bill. In fact, I wanted to go into selling of bail, but I wasn't really ready. If I am ready, I am definitely going to, let you guys know. Okay, so starting a drifting business is very important. You don't need to learn anything. All you need to learn is how to calculate your money, how to differentiate your capital from your profit, and to minus all expenses, and then to know the final balance you arrive at after every sales. That way you will know if you're making progress or not. All right, on my list will be fresh fruit business. Yes, fresh fruit business is very good, especially when you buy it from the bush market, from where they import it, like will I say import, from where they get it from directly, or you go to the farm to get it yourself. That way it will be cheaper. Like me, I've been to my village before, and people come from Enugu to Benue to come and buy fruits. Like, you can buy orange of 200 and sell it in this part of Nigeria for 1k. Trust me. Okay, so people go there to buy in wholesale, to buy in bulk, to buy in bags, and still come here and sell and make profit. So if you're somebody that wants to start making fruit juice, or you want to make fruit juice and at the same time make the fruit, because a lot of persons don't like chewing their fruits or eating it, they like to just take a gulp and just go their way. Okay, so you can just make it easy for them. You can as well sell the fruit and as well make the fruit juice, but all you have to do is to make sure that you are clean, your environment is clean, what you're using is clean, and that is all. You're good to go. Okay, so this business will not even take up to 50k. So you get an umbrella, get a table and a chair for yourself, probably one chair for your customer in case they just want to sit and relax and just sip that cold juice. All right, so you just need like two chairs, one table, and an umbrella, and you're good to go. So total, it will even cost you like 40k because you're going to get a lot of fruit. All right, so yeah, and one thing you should know about fruit business is how to preserve your fruit and to prevent it from spoiling. Okay, so if you are somebody that is just starting and you don't know much about it, please don't forget that Google is your friend. Okay, so Google, check on YouTube, and also be very calculative in whatever you do as a business person. Okay, so the next on my wigging, yes, making of wig, like something like this that I'm carrying. I saw something like this on Instagram that is more than 10k, 15k actually, and there are some that are 10k and stuff. But if I tell you how much I spent on making this by myself, yeah, you won't believe it. I actually made this from a friend who were learning how to make wigs together. So everything I spent was 3,000 naira because she make it free of charge. But trust me, if I'm going to make it for you, it is 7k or 10k and above. Okay, depends on how big or large your score or your scalp is. Okay, so that's affordable. If you can be able to make wig, like, let me say 5 weeks in a week, trust me, you're making sales, you're making money, or you will make money already. All you have to do is just make ready to wear wigs that people can just come and check, select, and pick from, and just pay you immediately. But if they want another color, they can as well pay you, and then you make it for them. So making of wig right now, aside short wig, longer wigs with frontal are even much expensive, from 10k and above. Do you get? But I make wig and I teach people. So if you're interested in wig making, I don't do frontal, those ventilation and closure stuff. No, I just do wigging because I don't really have strength for picking those closure stuff. So what I do is I teach people how to make wig. If you just want to know how to make wig professionally, I'm going to teach you how to make wig. So making of wig is not expensive. That is if you're interested in making wig or in trying to add it to your side hustle. I can be able to teach you. Just leave a comment, and I'll tell you my price in my DM, and then we'll start from there. Okay, so all you need is a good mannequin and your needle and thread. Okay, that's all you need, and you're good to go for your wigging business. So it doesn't take much. If you want to get closure, you can as well get closure from other people. Just buy from them 3,000, 5,000, 4,000, and you can still make from for your customer and still make good money. Charge your customer like 10k for a wig, and then you just buy one needle and one thread. Just minus that, tell me how much is left for you. Or maybe you just try to style the wig a little for your customer. Just it won't take you much thing. One thing is in business is being exceptional. When you're exceptional in your business, you attract more people. Some persons will just make your wig and then send it to you the way it is. If it's a straight wig, try and straighten it up, make it look good, so that next time the person can, come back again to make more, or as well refer you to other customers. Okay, so this brings us to the next one on my list. Is selling glasses online or offline. Normal sunglasses, normal shades. Selling glasses online. Glass is something that a lot of persons don't do. It like me, I can't go out without my sunshade, especially when the sun is out, like it's so out, and everybody is running away from the heat. Like me, I can't go out under the sun with my naked eyes because I have a little bit of eye problem and stuff. Yeah, but it hasn't gotten to the stage of using medicated glasses. So what I do to reduce the effect, or yeah, the damage of sun or whatever, to my the effect of the sun on my eyes, or yeah, is to wear my sunshade whenever I'm going out. So I don't do without my sunshade or my fancy glasses. So you can actually buy glasses on 1688 for 1,000 and sell them for 3,000 when you minus your shipping fee and all. So that alone is like a big thing for you. Like I said before, you just have to open a page. You can open on Google, you can open on Jumia, you can open on AliExpress as well and start selling as a retailer. You can open on Gigi as well and start selling as a retailer. You can also sell to people for 2.5 as wholesale and still make your profit. If you don't know how to do importation, you can just go to Aba and buy in bulk. Okay, yes, you can just go to Aba and buy in bulk, or if you're in Lagos, you can go to Lagos biggest market where wholesalers go to buy goods and resell, and just buy in bulk, so you don't have to break a bank to start this business. This glasses business, you can start it with 20k, and by the time you finish selling that, you will have like double what you used to get it, so that you can be able to start and get more glasses to sell. This one is very good for students who wants a side business, or maybe who have a busy schedule in school but still wants a side business to do. Cleaning business is very, very good. I can remember one of my classmates is actually like a family to me. To his new apartment, he left the hostel to, like, he stays outside the school. What he does was, we helped him to pack his things, and then I went there personally to help him clean and arrange the place. I'm not trying to tell you that I'm doing it for money. He's my friend. I did it for free. But there are some people that you can actually do it for them. You get, like, just clean, tell them how far, babe. In case they are complaining, how my house they scattered, all those rich kids that don't like cleaning their house and stuff, but they like clean environment. You can just tell them, okay, I'll clean for you, I'll mop for you, I'll wash for you. At the end of the day, you pay me for my work and all of that. Okay, so that is also a side hustle. You don't have to show the world that you're cleaning for people. All you have to do is, you can create a good banner online, post it, you're cleaning whatever, put your name, and all you need is your brush, mop, and bucket and detergent. Maybe you can get like room freshener or camphor that you can just throw in the person's room, like maybe Jara or Fisi, after doing your work, so that they can be able to call you next time. And painting business, of course, I know a lot of persons ignore it, but I know somebody who is a mother, actually a single mom of five, and she's a painter. When I mean she's a painter, she do normal painting, and then she draws, like she do designs in the house. She can draw a human being, animal in your room, any kind of effect you want in your room. So this woman is actually a boss right now. Like, she have her boys and her girls that do the painting for her, but if her customers want her professional touch, they book her specially. So painting business is very good. You can start learning even if you're a girl or a boy, it doesn't matter. You paint, they pay you, your customer gets the paint. All you have to do is paint, make sure your work is clean and nice, and you will get customers. Especially when you're a student. I'm saying this because students need a lot of money in school. Trust me, believe it or not. If you are yet to go to school, you need money. Watch this video, it is for you. Okay, so yeah, if you're a student, you need to learn how to paint. If you can't really paint, you can just tell them, okay, I'll follow you to wherever, like I'll be your boy or something. Whenever you have a painting job, I'll go with you. After the painting, I'll just help you wash the bucket, clean the places, and then your customer pay me and stuff. So it's another way of making money. On my list is your POS business. POS business, you can start with 100k. Yes, why? Because you need cash for you to be able to make that business happen, make it possible. All you need is two good chairs and a table and an umbrella. You don't even really need it. You can also start your POS business with 50,000 for you not to attract external eyes and external attractions. You know what I mean? External attractions. External attractions, okay? Like thugs coming to, loot you of your money and stuff. You get me? So yes, you can as well, squat with somebody in their shop. At the end of the day, you pay them something, maybe 5,000 or 10K, depends. Somebody, all you have to do is buy a good bag that has good zip to hold your money and hang it well, with your POS. UBA Bank has made it easy for POS business and business people. Do you get? When you go to UBA Bank, any UBA branch, go there, they give you POS machine for free as long as you are a customer, as long as you have a UBA account with them. All you have to do is that just go there, tell them you want to start a POS business. They will give you the machine, set it up for you, tell you how to use it, the password to put, and everything. And then you start your business. So you don't even need money to get your POS machine if you are a UBA person, like if you are somebody that use UBA as your bank. Okay, if you bank with UBA, so you don't need to buy or pay any money for your POS machine. So POS people make a lot of money. Trust me, forget the fact that some persons don't look like what they have or look like the kind of money they make. In this Nigeria, you have to be smart. We are not trying to look rich, we are trying to be rich. So I understand some persons that don't look rich. Okay, yeah, so POS people make a lot of money, especially when they are in a busy environment. They tend to make money because when you're doing transfer, you're paying charges. When you're withdrawing, you're paying charges. When you're taking when you're trying to check your account balance, you're paying money. So definitely they will make money. Depend, just look for a busy area, a busy environment. Might be a market or a just a busy place, a park where people drop, maybe all this God is good, GIG, all those places that people go walk in and walk out. Love this video and you want to see more video, because I have more for you guys. So I'm definitely going to make a part 2 of this video. So if you love this video and you want me to make another one, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to talk about other areas of business, still let me know in the comment section so that I can make research for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for this video. If you've not liked, subscribe, and commented yet, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch a video before subscribing, because these days a lot of my love, my specials here, we want to support my channel, but they won't have time, they don't have that time to watch my video. So if you just subscribe without watching a video or leaving a comment, or showing YouTube that okay, I really exist, I'm not a robot, and I really subscribe as a human being and not an artificial being or stuff, they will remove your subscription, because a lot of persons subscribe to my channel and then later on the subscription just went into thin air. And then I made research, I discovered that YouTube removed people that just subscribe without watching the video or being active before subscribing. So please, you can watch any of my short videos, you can watch my pineapple juice processing video, and leave a comment and just like before you subscribe. Okay, I love you all and I'll see you in my next. Don't forget to always show love, be good to people, be good to yourself, always tell yourself positive things, always show people around you love, and don't forget that Jesus loves you and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.